In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check responses on Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll confidently find, open, and review the results for any quiz you've created, all from the Forms interface. Start by opening your web browser and going to Microsoft Forms. If you're prompted, sign in with your work or school account so you can see your forms and quizzes. On the homepage, you'll land on a dashboard showing your recent items. If you have many, use the search bar or switch between the recent and My Forms views to locate what you need. You're looking for the specific quiz whose responses you want to check. Once you spot it, click to open the quiz. I'll use one called Animal Quiz as an example, but the process is exactly the same for any quiz you've made. When the quiz opens, you'll see the editor where you built your questions. Now we'll move from building to reviewing. Look for the responses area. Near the top of the screen, you'll typically see two main tabs, Questions and Responses. Select Responses and then find the button or link labeled View Responses. This is what takes you into the results experience for that quiz. Click View Responses. You'll arrive at a summary view showing key information at a glance. The total number of submissions, average scores if it's a graded quiz, and charts or lists that break down how people answered each question. This page is designed to help you quickly spot trends, common wrong answers, and overall performance. Scroll to check the responses in detail. As you move down the page, you'll see per question insights, including counts and percentages. For text or long answer questions, you'll be able to read what respondents wrote. If you need a closer look, expand sections and take your time comparing how different questions performed. This is a great moment to note any questions that might need clearer wording or updated answer keys next time you edit the quiz. When you're ready to dive into individual submissions, click Review Answers. This opens a respondent by respondent view. Here, you can step through each person's submission, see their selected answers, and, for quizzes, confirm points awarded or adjust scores for questions that require manual grading. You can also add feedback to help learners understand what they did well and what to improve. Use the navigation controls to move between respondents so you don't miss anyone. That's the full flow. Open Microsoft Forms, find your quiz, view responses, scroll through the summary, and review individual answers for deeper insight.